Hi guys, this is a call for wannabe data scientists. In fact, even this year in Torino, Italy, and precisely in the Topics headquarters, where we are, by the way, we will organize the 8th edition of the Big Dive course. Basically, Big Dive is an intensive bootcamp aimed at providing the skills you need to dive into the big data universe. Particularly this year, we will mix together different knowledges and different skills in a module-driven program. To enter in details, we will add data visualization, we will add scientific Python, geospatial data, of course machine learning and deep learning, some data engineering modules, also natural language processing, and of course network science. This will be the core assets, the core skills that we will teach during this 4-week program. As usual, the final week of Big Dive will be dedicated to the final project. It will be an intensive hands-on teamwork where basically the divers will have the chance to prove their skills in a real work. And this year the main theme will be the space and the Earth observation, of course, through the data. So, the final message of this video is, of course, go on our website www.bigdive.eu and register, of course, for the next edition. We will have still some places, and so see you in a couple of weeks here in Torino. Ciao, ciao!